Well done, everybody. You've completed the whole course. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did making it. So when we came into this, you were probably a complete novice, and hopefully now you've got a good base understanding of lots of the aspects of photography that you need to understand to become a professional photographer or to use it in your own business. What I would say is this course is an opening for you. It's an opportunity to start to learn about different aspects that you want to learn more about. Now, what I would say is with the course, this really should be your base knowledge. What you want to do now is pick different aspects of the course, maybe product photography or areas around branding, and go into more detail, depth in your knowledge. And the most important thing with photography, as is true with any skill, is make sure that you're implementing the things that you learn as soon as possible. So you can sit and you can read countless books and you can watch this course or several other courses, but if you're not immediately going and actually trying to use that new knowledge to create your skills, you'll never actually deepen your practice. My name is Richard Goodwin Wilcox. It's been an absolute pleasure. My company is Blank Canvas Inc. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.